Hello and welcome to the fourth video where we'll be focusing on cross join. Okay, before I talk about cross join, remember I said something about a right join here. Even though I did not show you practically how right join works, but right join works exactly the same way as left join, except that it keeps all information in the right table instead of the left. So we can also easily implement a right join by swapping the table around in the left statement. So if you want to just use right join, a similar way to use right join is just take the left table to the right and the right table to the left. All right, having said that, let's move over to the cross join with our focus here. So taking the cross join of two or more tables is similar to taking their cross products. Okay, taking their cross products or Cartesian products. All right. The result is a set of rows containing all possible ordered combinations of two rows from the tables. So what do we mean by the cross product? I would quickly explain what I mean by cross product here by just talking about two different tables. Let's say we have table 1, and table 1 has the following record, just a single column: A, B, and C. And then we have table 2, and table 2 has the following records: 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you do the cross join of table 1 and table 2, all right, how will the output be presented? So your output will come out in this order. You would have a so this is the cross join of the two table, cross join of table 1 and 2. So table 1 comes first. You have a1, a2, a3, a4. Then you have b1, b2, b3, b4. Then you have C1, C2, C3, C4. So this is exactly what the cross join of these two tables would give you. So imagine you have thousands of records in table 1 and hundreds of thousands of records in table 2. So the cross join is just this number, okay, multiplied by this number. So that is 3 times 4, which is 12. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 records returned. So the cross join will give you the number of rows in the first table times the number of rows in the second table output, so which is going to be very, very large. So be careful to work with cross join just anyhow. So again, uh, when taking cross join of two or more tables, similar to taking their cross product, and the result is a set of rows containing all possible ordered combinations of rows from the two tables. So it's ordered because the values of the first table will come first before the values of the second table, and the first value here will be mapped to all other entry rows here. The second will also be mapped to all other rows here, just like I've demonstrated with this simple example here. All right, so let's go into DB browser as you see a practical example. All right, great. Let's go into DB browser. So here we want to see the application of cross join, and this is used in finding combinations of table rows. So let's suppose that as part of a new business strategy, Chinook wants to develop new product categories for their media items that are based on the genre and the media type. To do this, write a query that will list all possible products categories, all possible product categories, that is, all possible genre and media type combinations. So how do you do that? Just simply write your cross join. So you select the name of the genre as the genre, the name of the media type as media type, from the genres table as G, and the cross join, and we use cross join media types as N. So let's run this query and then we'll see how many outputs we would have. So we have 125 outputs returned. So if you run, let's first see how many genres we have there already. Select let's select all from the generals table, and we're going to select all from the media type table, media types table. So let's select all from the media types table. All right. So how many records do we have here? Let's count. For media types, there are just 5 rows. And for the generals table, there are just 25 rows. So 25 times 5 is 125. And that is the reason why we are seeing 125 rows when we actually executed the cross join statement. So as you can see, rock is mapped to MPEG audio file, the same rock protected AAC audio file, the same rock protected this, the same rock. So the rock genre is matched to all 5 media types. Jazz is mapped to all 5 media types. Metal is mapped to all 5 media types, and so on and so forth. So this is what the cross join statement does to your query. So be careful not to perform a cross join on tables that have multiple rows. Like when I say multiple, I mean thousands and hundreds of thousands of rows. So this is all about the cross join statement. In our next video, we will talk about how to the application of union statement in SQL. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you in the next one. And thank you for choosing Datafied Academy. Goodbye.